All right, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Is my sounds coming okay? All right. So let me know if my sounds coming okay by typing a one for me. Let me just check my comments over here. Okay. So today looks like market continue to be bullish. Okay. So fantastic. We have a bullish for almost a month already. So we against same things over here. Today we just going to look into some of the stocks that we are usually checking all this while, especially from our Telegram. Then if you want to, I can go into my pullback signals. Okay, so or probably just let me open. If let's say I got any pullback stocks appear today, probably I'll look into it. Okay, so SNS, yes, pullback completed. System continue goes up. Emulous, hopefully you can see from my screen. And Flexi, okay, Flexi also coming. This one also much other something also. Flexi, okay. Not a very strong so-called volume yet, but definitely worth to monitor. Emulous, my personal favorites for today. Okay, so today actually I got a few favorite that I'm looking into. Definitely SNS tech also, but unfortunately SNS tech I didn't manage to enter Tuesday. Okay, but today goes up a bit lah. So we'll see how it goes. Ramso also trend everything not too bad. Okay, overall it's going up. All right, so later on I'm gonna look into it. Okay, but for now probably I will just go into some of the stocks that we have been talking about in the group, and let's see what is happening today. Okay, so let's say today continue to show a nice momentum. Okay, for most of the stocks. One of the stock I'm holding. Let's look into HE Group today. A small gap, but not a very strong one. To be frank, it goes up and drop again. So normally a weak sign off for me. Of course, I hope they close strongly. If let's say they're able to close above 560 and above, I think it's a good sign. Okay. If not, I think it was still a bit boring and sideways. Okay. Hello, Roslan. Thank you for joining me as usual. Now, for those who are joining me right now, once again, appreciate you can help me to just click the like buttons for me. All right, help me to share this out. Again, before I proceed further, just want to share with you that this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Just wanted to share with you. Okay, normally what I do in the market, okay, based on one spread analysis technique, I also combine with a pullback technique to help me out also to plan out my trades. So whenever you do, okay, let me just bring my pens up. So again, whenever you do, right, just remember that please follow a trading plan. Okay, so for myself as well, I always have my support one, support two, resistance one, resistance two to help me out. Okay, in my in my trading plan. So if you don't have it, probably you can get advice from professional. All right, so make sure that everything you do, you got your own so-called risk management. Okay, so that's very important. Yes, today market is bullish, but doesn't mean that tomorrow or next week is still bullish. Okay, so this is again stock market lah. I think you all know lah. Not every day is like that one lah. But this one is pretty good. Okay, almost a month already. Okay, we see a nice rally in Bursa. Okay, let's going back to some of the stocks. So like I say, HE Group, personally I'm still holding. Bangtel is another boring counters. Okay, so again, if you want to switch, you can switch. I think if you have followed my entry level, right? By the time I posted this, I think right now should be break even or maybe a small losses. Okay, personally for me, I enters 335 area. Okay, so if I exit right now, it's a small losses. Okay, so if you think that you've been holding for 2 months already, exact jalan now. Okay, you can switch over. I think it's fine. Okay, this one you can switch. Okay, so others like today Opstar doing pretty good. Okay, so like I share with you, Opstar actually have this pullback completed signal. Okay, last week it actually shows that. All right, today also another strength sign coming in. Okay, with volume increasing. Hope again a strong closing, or even better is that they try to break the R1. Okay, so that's what I looking for. Okay, for Opstar today. All right, so for my this pullback signal, I think there are a few users actually asking me already. If you saw it from Telegram, actually I have this pullback signal over here and over here today as well. I actually checked with my technical team. Okay, yeah, Tuesday. Okay, So they say that hopefully currently actually almost ready. Okay, just left one or two things to check, and hopefully by early of June we can release to everyone. Okay, so again, this signal over here for me personally, I'm using it a lot. Okay, of course right now I can only use TradingView because TradingView is the one we program it. Then from there we will bring it into XChart. Okay, so personally I'm using it. I'm using the format I'm using for past few years ago, and I put it in. Okay, so what is worked for me, doesn't mean it's worked for you, but you can actually try out later when it's available. Okay, so Roshan asks, okay, can you make money in a sideways share? Now, good questions. Okay, yes, because sometimes, right, depending on the market structure or the environment of the stocks. Like I said, not every day we get this kind of market. Okay, especially like if you are trading last year or last 2 years ago. Okay, it's a boring market, it's a bearish market. So sometimes we have to learn different techniques, especially like trading the sideways market. So sideways market for me, right? Probably later I can share more. Okay, I think like today I posted, if you're in Telegram. Okay, anyone here in Telegram, type A, please. Anyone here in Telegram, type A. If you are not in Telegram, type B. Okay, if you're in Telegram, type A. If you're not in Telegram, type B. Okay. Okay, A, B. Okay, just want to know. Okay, if you're in Telegram, type A. If you're not Telegram, type B. Okay, because sometimes from here I can get feedback also lah. If things that I need to improve, you let me know. Okay, so that probably how communication will be more better in Telegram. Okay, Rosa, you're in Telegram? Yeah, I thought you're in Telegram. Okay, so today actually I share out two counters lah. So far only Roslan, I got around 13 people over here. Okay, the rest is a bit quiet. Are you in office or what? Okay, don't be shy. Okay, Tommy, thank you, Tommy. So okay, now today, if you notice, I do share out two counters, right? FSBM and Magma. Okay, so both actually is sideways. Okay, now few things that you should look into lah. So let's look into FSBM. Okay, belum lagi ya. Join us lah. Inside got lots of discussion Sometimes we can share idea, we can chit chat over there So boleh sembang dekat sana lah. How much already 5.5%. I Q lower lah. Tak dapat lah. Okay, I'll look into SMLT later. Okay, I'll look into SMLT. So okay, now this is to answer Rosan's questions, right? How to trade sideways market. Okay, now sideways market got two lah. Okay, one is at the bottom, which is mostly tech companies. Okay, right now it's happening right now, like Bursa, DoFu, GradTech, DoFu, GradTech, all this stuff lah. They are at the bottom. Okay, JFTech. Okay, so if let's say I'm trading at accumulation, which is the first phase of so-called sideways market, I always look into the high volume. I think Glove also having that. Okay, but if let's say you are trading in the uptrend, there's sideways, then I look for shakeout. Okay, I look for shakeout. Now, of course, sideways market, you have to see the range also lah. If let's say some range, right, is so narrow, it didn't give me much of the so-called mid, then no point to trade lah. Because sometimes we have to expect we cannot sell at the top one, right? Like for example, over here, right? It's damn difficult to sell. Okay, sometimes they push up, then within few minutes they drop already. It cannot even hit your order. Okay, so yeah, we have to expect that. So sometimes we have to see what is the range that this counter offered. Okay, if let's say range more than 10% and above, okay, I think it's okay, right? Of course, best is like around 20%. So around 20%, at least I can aim, 10 to 8%. But range 5% saja, how to aim, right? Difficult. So now you try, you understand what it means, right? So yes, in the uptrend sideways, I look for shakeout, I put it as O. In downtrend sideways, which is accumulation, I look for climatic volume. Okay. Now, in VSA terms, sometimes we call stopping volume. Okay. Sometimes we call stopping volume. Sometimes we call back holdings. Okay. So we can do that. Like for example, Systech is a nice range. Wow, shit, this one's still going up. Wow, 7% already. This one today I want to enter one. But I Q low. This is my habit. I always try to pop lower a bit and try. And never mind, it's okay. Still got Magma. Okay, Magma also. But you just understand, right, Roslan? Yeah, first is the range, but of course I look into the pattern as well. Because sometimes range doesn't mean that it will jalan one. This one, let's see lah. Today drop below volume. This one I think still probably a good range. If I enter right now 245 to this resistance 285. Okay, I think 10 over percent, almost 20%. So still okay. Okay, still okay. Probably we can look into that. Alright, but yeah, sayang lah FSBM sudah jalan. Okay, never mind. Again, we look into others counters. So just going back to some of the stocks that we are looking into. Opta jalan already lor. Emulus. Okay, we look into Emulus. Okay, Emulus today also. Wow. Okay, 4%. Okay, looks not bad for today. Hopefully it will break this. But I think here I will take profit lah. Here I think I will take profit lah. Okay, over here lah, because it tested few round already. Take partial lah. At least you take partial lah. Sorry, I take partial lah. I leave up to you whether you want to take partial or not once it hits. Okay, but it seems like it tested few rounds already. I think they can break. Okay, but just that I'm not sure whether this round can break or not. Okay, so I always like to take partial. Okay, around the R2 area. Okay, and then let's see how it goes. If let's say they break up, okay, I still got half. If not, at least I already locked some profit already for myself. Okay, so there's Emulus. Any others? Okay, this one a bit disappointing but this one I already exit already. I think 2 weeks ago. Actually, I'm looking for entry opportunity, but this morning it gapped down again. Okay, so let's see. I want to see how actually it closed today. If not, skip. Okay, right now got plenty of opportunity in the market. Okay, as for me, in my opinions, I think right now markets got a lot of opportunity. So sometimes if you see a bit of weakness, tak apa lah. We look for others lah. So I'm not sure whether Success got any specific news or not. Okay, if let's say yes, you can probably share it with me over here. But as long as usually when they got a gap down, I tend to avoid first. Okay, because gap down and gap up is same. Okay, gap up hold as support, gap down hold as resistance. Okay, gap down it will turn it into resistance. Okay, but of course, if you ask me, Success overall the market structure is still very good. Okay, just that if let's say you got this gap, right, sometimes it will like zigzag. Few months are like Bangtel style. Okay, and then before they goes up. Okay, so that's a quick one for Success. Any other stocks that I missed out from last week? Sometimes 2 minutes actually I forgot. If you remember, just let me know. Okay, we look into others like Signature. Okay, all this also I still monitoring. Worth to pay attention also Signature. Wow. Okay, let's do into hourly chart. Wow, this one really still can. Okay. Okay, Signature I heard still boleh lah, but I thought it will make a deeper pullback to 135. All right, so fast reverse already. Okay, gonna watch out. Okay, so CHGP also. Let's see what's the reaction today. Continue to go lower. Actually, I'm looking at S2 area. Okay, S2 area. Okay, for CHGP. Okay, I think I didn't cover Systec. I haven't covered Systec yet. Let's go into Systec. Okay, because I'm interested on Systec as well. Yeah, also move up. But okay lah, 2%. But actually, I hope to get around support area. Okay, let's see how it goes. No rush. Plenty of stock right now. Okay, why company with big market cap but the share very much lower than a small market cap? Oh, which means the price is lower. I think this is what it means, right, Roslan? Actually, I'm not sure also lah. Okay, if you ask me, but smaller. Okay, but for me, okay, because I always practice something called volume spread analysis. Okay, volume spread analysis actually is by Tom William. Actually, you can try to read that. It's a very interesting methods to look into the market. So we actually teach about so-called smart money or operator in the market. All right. So for me, price actually is influenced by this group of people. Okay. So yeah, sometimes you can say that big market cap, but why price didn't go up or in a very slow pace? Okay, probably because of there's no so-called operator or market maker for the stocks. Okay, but those stocks that sometimes lower price one, they are easy to push up. okay, to higher price, okay, or maybe because they got something like news, okay, like for example, like this year very good example I think is YTL, okay, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, right? Then after that, pop a good news coming. Okay, now prices going up. I'm not sure whether 1 month, 2 months, 3 months down the road we still got good news or not. Okay, I think like VS Tech also. Actually VS Tech all this one is a boring counters lah. Okay, I remember like few years ago I buy, then I hold for few years. Ayo, tak jalan lah. Jalan a bit lah. Okay, then I just sold. Then all of a sudden, actually I didn't realize. Okay, like for example VS Tech lah, we go to VS Tech. Okay, actually I didn't follow lah for years already because in my mind is that VS Tech is a boring counters because I buy before, I invested before for a few years. Tak jalan lah, really tak jalan. So until like early of this year, I think like somewhere around March or April, right? When I was having a lunch together with some of my ex-colleague, which is they are in the stock as well. They said, "Hey, VS Tech goes up a lot, nah." I check the price. I say, "Oh yeah, this one goes up a lot, without people really pay attention to it." And all of a sudden, okay, good news coming in. Okay, so for me, anything about price, okay, most of the time it's actually influenced by sometimes by the operator itself. Okay, I mean, if you ask me, okay, so if let's say the price is lower, it's easier for them to mark the prices up. Okay, of course, with good news also, supported with good news along the way. All right. So hopefully I answer the questions. Okay. Hey, morning, morning Wong. Okay, so let's look into others. I think I got a few so-called pullback stocks coming in. Opstar below. Hey, I think Opstar volume still okay lah. Okay, let's look into Opstar again. Because I also holding ma. So okay, I think volume okay, right? Just now I checked. Okay lah. For me, this one consider good volume lah, because this is now is a first trading hours only. First trading hours. Of course, I hope they hit R1 or maybe close about R1. Today is almost 6%. So yeah lah, maybe later on we'll lock some profit also. I'm not sure. Okay, FSBM is the one that goes up a lot. But this one, yeah, let's see lah. Maybe wow, 8% already. Okay lah, tak apa lah. Tak mau chase sudah lah. Let's look into next week lah. Okay, but this one again, not doing any buy call, not doing any, just share. This one hurt other operator. This one hurt other operator. Okay, so this one I share out this morning. Okay, so the other one also the other one also I heard saja lah, but it might be wrong lah. It might be wrong. So you all again, we trade according to chart patterns. Okay, we trade according to chart patterns. Okay, now Wix dynamic, I didn't really follow, to be frank. Too many stocks, sometimes cannot follow everything. Okay, looks like at the main resistance area. Okay, but volume's looking good. Okay, now there are a few things we can do over here. We are looking good for more upside. I do say, I can say yes at the moment. Okay, now this is shooting star candles, right? Shooting star candles. Okay, so if let's say hold well, okay, this one can goes up. Okay, for example here, shooting star candles holds well, it goes up. Okay, so we can actually use this shooting star as our support. Okay, or maybe to check whether still weakness or not. Okay, I think Wong also heard Systec and FSBM SSBM Systec, yeah lah. I think in the group we do talk about that already. FSBM yeah, something that I just received, okay, last night. Okay, the other one also the other one also, so worth to look into it also. So okay, is there any filter to capture company from the same sectors? Yes. In X-Chart over here, actually you can do that. Like for example, right now is Wix dynamic, right? So what I do is that I go to here. Okay, from here I got this features called company. Sorry, this is technical info, fundamental info, and then company info. So for my company info over here, I actually can see which company under technology or maybe some semiconductor related. Okay, so for example, Wix dynamic, Edeltex. Okay, I can check Edeltex also. Okay, some company got few industry lah, so you can actually look into that as well. Okay, so Emulus, not bad also. Okay, all this is semiconductor related or maybe QES. Okay, so yeah, you can actually check from our X chart here. Okay, oh, there's some very good also, 6%. Okay. Now, okay, any other stocks? Okay, probably I go to your stock first before I go to my pullback signals. Okay, just now I got SMRT, I got Samiden. Okay, Samiden. How about Master and Tiguan? Okay, Master and Tiguan. Master and Tiguan, both plastic, am I right? Okay, now let's look into here. Let's do the SMRT first. Oh, I didn't realize Thursday make a nice break. Okay, nice reversal. Okay, from here. Actually, nothing much to comment also lah. This one actually a nice setups. Okay, of course, next resistance. Okay, because this is trading stocks already. Okay, not to say trading but they are coming in a very nice volume, everything. So here, okay, watch out here lah. 1.1 watch out 1.1 Okay, 1.1 is the next resistance to look out for. So I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Okay, entry wise, no weakness. Okay, no weakness. That's into our chart. I don't think of any weaknesses. Yeah lah, nothing much. Okay, no weaknesses. Okay, so see whether you can actually aim around the resistance area or not. Okay, so that's for SMRT. Okay, so the other one, Samiden. Okay, Joel, I noticed you keep asking Samiden. You're looking for long term or short term actually for this. Because long term got long term reading method short term got short term methods Because for me is I'm looking for long term. Long term for me this week is volume is very good. Okay, of course today is only Thursday. We got 1 more days to go, and in fact yesterday is public holiday. So so far itself the volume is good. Okay, so yeah, I will still continue to hold for my long terms. Okay, so called potential Okay, so that's quick one. If let's say you are looking into more like short term one. Okay. Yeah lah, no much of a weakness for me. Okay, probably you continue pullbacks to the 20 MA. All right, so probably you just want to ride along with the 20-day moving average. Okay, so this one have also been in the uptrend already. Consider uptrend, but in a very slow pace since last year December or maybe early this year January. Okay, they've been going slowly. Okay, going slowly. Okay, so let's do into master. Oh, is it? Yeah, shit. I checked Zantat. Actually, the day when I exit Zantat, right, I've been thinking whether should I keep Zantat or I keep Bangtel. But in the end, I don't know. Probably because I hold Bangtel for 2 months, really, just okay lah, hold lah, exit Zantat. But Zantat coming Okay, let's see. Okay, this one also I got no much thing to comment. Okay, because just right along the DMA. No weakness so far. Of course, the volume seems a bit funny but sometimes this kind of so-called illiquid stock, the volume tends to be slightly a bit funny one. Sometimes the down bar come with higher volume, but as long as they are riding around 20 MA, I think it's okay, right? For master, no unusual volume. Okay, so that's why I think that probably the trend will likely still continue from here. Okay, T1. Let's turn to T1. This one got more volume, more interesting. Okay, build volume from here. Okay, but overall, if you notice, right, we go into weekly chart. Okay, we do see some reversal coming in with increasing volume. Okay, let's go back to daily. Okay, now if you are aiming for short term, I think here will be a potential support. Okay, now this one is high volume. Again, probably I will use the high volume method to trade. So high volume. Okay, notice here this is high volume from this range, right? So as long as the price hold above high volume or close up, then I think I will still hold. Okay, because it do come with high volume. I think this is from last week candle, and this few days still hold well. So which means that this candle probably is not a selling volume. Okay, so for me, still worth to look into it. Okay, but if let's say break S1, maybe you want to exit exit first. If let's say you're looking for short term. Okay, long term wise, I think yes, overall they are doing some so-called reversal pattern. Let's check again weekly chart. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Probably they are doing some reversal. And here also like a shakeout zone. Okay, oh, but shakeout yet to complete. So here probably we have a bit of resistance. Okay, before goes up. Okay. When a company is in uptrend, can you show the support resistance? Oh yeah. Actually, okay. Now, of course, there are two ways usually I use support resistance. Now, first is my built-in support resistance. Okay, over here, this is the auto calculate one. Okay, now this is useful especially for those that who so-called started okay to learn about technical analysis or maybe chart reading. You can use that to help you out. Okay, actually I do this for those that who just started to learn about technical analysis. Okay, how to build a trading plan. Now once you get more familiar with chart reading, candlestick patterns, right, you can use VSM method. Okay, like sometimes I use high volume, I use shooting star candles or hammer candles. Okay, to help me to time my support resistance. Okay, but I will share with you lah. Okay, if let's say I see more pattern. Okay, Roslan. So okay, now let's look into Chengil Zantat, Chengil, and Pullback, right? This one, a P group. Pullback have been quiet for some time. Huh? Zantat, ayo, this one really go up. Panda also lah. Panda the day drop, right? I chabut, then yeah, now goes back up. Okay, but it's okay lah. Okay lah. This one haven't break the resistance yet lah. Okay, this one yet to break resistance lah. Of course, I don't think I will want to enter right now. Okay, this is from around 48 cents to 53 cents. Risk to reward, sorry, the range is around 10%. Not a very big one, but if let's say I enter right now, the risk to reward is not so ideal also. So maybe what I'm going to do is that here, okay, hopefully it hits reject another time, pull back again. Okay, so maybe yeah, this round over here we still can aim. Okay, if let's say it got lah, huh? Okay, so probably I'm just gonna pump my alerts. Okay, because sometimes who knows, right? Next week, next 2 week, market started to pull back. Most of them will go back to support. So this is where we're going to aim back. Okay, some of these counters here. All right, so let's turn to Chengdu. This one also got reversal, huh? Okay, this pattern here remind me of ECA. Okay, ECA got reversal, but unfortunately the reversal is not that strong. But doesn't mean it's not good. Okay, but it just probably a bit slow only. Okay, now this one Chengdu, ECA. The other one I think of potential one is KGW. Okay, KGW. Okay, so okay, now let's look into here before I go to KGW, right? Because KGW, I also got heard something. I also got heard something, but not so soon. Okay, not so soon. So I'm still waiting for probably another pullback signal to form. Then I slowly look for a chance. Okay, so now for Chengdu, okay, you can probably aim at R2 area. Okay, notice over here support resistance at R2. Okay, probably aim somewhere around here. Yeah, we can use S2. Okay, as a potential support, main support level. Like I say, I think they are trying to do reversal from downtrend, probably go into a sideway right now. Just that not so strong. Okay, not like Upstart, right? It goes up straight away, they hold above 20 and 40-day moving edge. Normally, what I like is that when you do reversal, of course, first of all, your reversal must be high volume, climatic volume. Second thing is that it must hold about 20, 40-day moving average. If let's say they didn't hold, like ECA, EIB also previously I traded, but it become boring. Okay, so it will sideways. Doesn't mean it's not good, but just that yeah, you have to somehow hold it up. Okay, because they are going to sideways. Okay, so hopefully I answered these questions. I got reversal. Okay, I think at least it stopped the temporary down. It stopped the downtrend already. But if you enter right now, probably slightly a bit boring. Okay, for you. Okay, the other one is Pullback. You want to do a course? Yeah. Actually, I really wanted to do course, but to be frank, I'm really, really busy. Well, because currently XIFU, of course the technical team, I got other colleagues to help me lah. But all this like Facebook lah, you know, getting some guru to join us lah, like, you know, XIFU ETA, I posted some video there. Sometimes Max lah, the upcoming one Feng Shui lah, you know, all this actually I need to arrange lah. So sometimes a bit easy lah. Actually, I plan to do course. Okay, I plan to do course, but maybe yeah lah, after yeah lah. I try lah during the next month. Okay, next month probably will. Okay, okay, file pack. Hey, lately got volume, Okay, interesting. Look into BD chart. Now this is the one that I say still in accumulation in the very first phase. Okay, okay, here lah. Here we got some high volume. Okay, now there are a few things to look into lah. This chart over here. Okay, there are something that I just now mentioned, right? Now, first of all, this one got reversal with high volume. This one got reversal with high volume. Okay, probably somewhere around here. Okay, or even here they crossed the 2040 and then break. So here got first round high volume already. Okay, but similar like what's counters really? Chengdu. Okay, they reverse, but they fail to hold 2040. So trend is weak. Okay, the reversal trend is weak, but they are going to accumulation. Okay, so we got some high volume coming in. Okay, so as long as it still hold around this range, I think it's still good. Okay, still good. But of course, right now didn't show a lot of momentum. But if you want to do a quick trade, I think it's still possible. Okay, now let's go into the daily chart. Let's go into the daily chart. Okay, today got gap. Okay, today got gap. Back to this period support. Oh, this is previously gap down also. So okay, now let's stay into here. Previous gap down, then resistance, gap up, turn back to support. Okay, so probably you can try to trade along with the range. So a good area to focus is around 40 cents area. Again, not doing any buy call, but just share with you where is the support resistance. And this is using VSA methods. Okay, this is using VSA methods. Okay, so to the first gap, which is R2, 44 cents, 10%. Main one over here, 48 cents, which is around 20%. All right. So yeah, I think this one worth to look into it. Okay, worth to look into it, especially if you are looking for short-term opportunities. Okay. All right. So I think I covered most of the stocks already. For my remaining of my time, probably I just want to share with you some of the so-called pullback stocks. Okay, for my alerts over here. Hopefully, you can find something. I do see PIE Powerwell. Oh, this one very strong. Still, macam haven't give up yet. Okay, but hammer candles, okay, as long as it holds above the hammer, I think is fine. Okay, this hammer over here is temporary support. Roslan said, is there any video how to use XIFU apps? Actually, tak ada lah. But anything you can ask me lah. That's why it's good for you to join the Telegram. If you think that anything that you find it not really understand, you can ask me. But the apps actually is very straightforward. I can say it's just a stock market apps like KIC Screener, like those like outside actually investor, or maybe stock measure stock bits. Okay, for us to check the market information, news announcement, financial announcement, earnings reports, and so on. Okay, of course, moving forward, we will add more features like the lately want the pullback signals, live charts, and hopefully my pullback signal and extra will be ready very, very soon. Okay. Flexi. This one pun ada info but too many I cannot monitor all. So actually today I want to focus on FSPM, Magma, and System. Okay, so okay, PIE. Let's go into PIE. This one also. Wow, looks like continue. A bit similar like all the VS Tech and Me Technovation. Okay, red tone. Oh, this one ada shakeout. This one ada shakeout. Red tone I didn't follow. I'm not sure why. Maybe because really too many counters really. So okay, okay, where's my here? Okay, shakeout. But the other day got shooting star got shooting star. So good area S1. Try see can get or not. Of course, the ideal one around S2 lah, around 96 cents area lah, the best one S2 area lah, because this is closest to support. Okay, so like I said, shakeout, I cannot guarantee you always break out, but shakeout, normally it will try resistance. Normally it will try resistance. Okay, so going back to the questions like Rosanna asked, right, how to trade sideways. This is option sideways. You use shakeout. One of the, I cannot say guarantee, but one of the best method, okay, to trade sideways. Okay, any others? ADB, ADB also resting for a month already. Okay, looks like today crossing R1. Okay, this one also setup is good. Resistance no weakness. Okay, setup is good. Resistance no weakness. Okay, ADB. ATA is coming back. Oh, but this one background got weakness. Okay, what it means by background got weakness. Okay, so first of all, shooting star high volume. Again, just check background. This is usually how I filter, okay, some of the stocks. Okay, doesn't mean ETA cannot move up. Like, I think it can move up. Okay, but just that sometimes got too many stock in current market, right? Sometimes got 20 over stock, how to monitor all. So what I do is that I just filter out stock got weaknesses, stock without weaknesses. Okay, I sort. Okay, so stock without weaknesses, I keep my watches and monitor. Okay, so this type maybe we skip first until a better confirmation is coming in. Okay, now what it means by weakness in this chart? First of all, shooting star high volume. I put SH, HW. Okay, first sign already. Second, price close below shooting star high volume. So which means this candle is a big profit taking candle. That's why they cannot hold. They drop below. Okay, another one from here lah. So actually gap up, close low is the same thing. Like for example, Epicon. That's why I exit on my Epicon already. Okay, I don't like this kind of candle unless I see something more solid coming in. Second, it dropped 2040 with even higher volume. Okay, or maybe high volume. Okay, so this is further showing that the chart probably temporary, still in a seller still in control. Okay, seller still in control. All right. So if you understand this type of A for me, please. If you understand this type of A for me, if not type of B for me. If confusing, type B for me. Okay, SNS. SNS, I think okay lah, no issue lah. This one, how to say? Top here, other weakness. You can continue to write. Okay, you can continue to write. Okay, so of course, quite momentum already, but so far no weakness. Okay, so far no weakness for SNS. So okay, LTKM. Okay, thank you, Roslan. LTKM, this one slow and steady. Remind me of Hapsing. Gap up, very strong, even though got funny volume, but sometimes this kind of illiquid stocks got this kind of funny volume. Okay, banner lag. Okay, tak ada benda right now because banner lag, yeah, they say that will be benefited a lot from the Johor project Heard that. Okay, I got Apollo here. Apollo also gap up and hold well. Okay, this one good for mid to long term type. KTC, Goring type. Okay, volume not really like that. Okay, I think Bremso, Flexi. So far, I think red tone. So far today, I think for my pullback here, red tone. ADB. Okay, SNS run already. SNS run. I think morning also, they actually come out also. This one at around 9:30. It show SNS also got a pullback. Stack. Okay, but so far at this moment, around 10 in the morning, so far I think ADB is the one that haven't crossed R1 and is testing R1 with so-called good volume. Okay, I'm not sure. Check that out. Okay, so again, for those that who are new to us, I think Tuesday night, okay, I got to do a show with JK, which is our senior chartist. He actually one of the so-called I cannot say creator, but the one that put in idea into X chart. Okay, I think personally for me, I like this uptrend pullback. Okay, it's almost very similar with the pullback in XIFU apps. Okay, so for those that who already sign up for XIFU.mine, okay, you get 30-day access to this X chart. Try it out. Okay, my trick signal over here. Okay, so later on, not sure whether 11, 12, or even afternoon 2-3 p.m. you got a better choice. Okay, because now it's only first trading hours. Okay, looks like, yeah, very interesting for ADB. Okay, you can probably pick up something like this, okay, later on in the afternoons. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. Well, if let's say tomorrow I still got time, I will share again, okay, any potential stocks for tomorrow morning. Right, thank you and see you tomorrow.